How is the 7 Drive Growth creating a good learning experience for these members? I would say you would need to ask them.
My experience today at the 7 Drivers program has been a bit of a wake-up call. It really felt like EY understood the principles of YPO. It's not about advice giving, it's about sharing experiences.
It was very enlightening, very enriching. I quite liked it because at the beginning I didn't know what to expect, but then after the second session it just all made a lot of sense.
I think the program is very well structured. It has a lot of details and it's fit for all management members of a company.
It's a program that has gone through a lot of thinking and insight from all the other entrepreneuristic companies that they have engaged into a framework that will make it easy for you to set your drivers and also discuss with your key management team what you need to do for your organization.
Most of the times the organizations look at one or the other, or maybe a few, but not all these 7 at the same time. So the best and the most important part of this program has been that you look at all the drivers from the same lens.
The Velocity tool I found excellent, and it really made me think about what are the issues, what are the priorities, and how are we going to do it.
It is a very helpful tool that you can take into your boardroom, work with your exco and make sure that everybody's on the same page.
That is the real value in that. It forces you to think about every single facet of your business, and then it forces you to make a decision. How important is this for you?
Every single person who's attended today has come away with something unique and different. They've really understood that all it takes is just to set the framework and let us figure out through our own way exactly how we are going to reach the next level.
The other thing is important is to make sure that it becomes a realistic, ambitious plan. So some of them have actions plans now with 70 different activities identified. And seeing how those could be grouped and turned into some programs, doing some really good prioritization, so where to focus on first and then second, is another one. So turning projects or actions into programs.